Hi all, Don here, the German printing nerd. Yes, now the time has come. The first thing I must say is I would like to welcome all of my new subs. I know that sometimes as a YouTuber, you are looking for videos because you are interested in this one or this other project, and I hope that the one or the other project would be interesting for you too. And of course, contact information is in the description below, where you can send me an email if you have any special questions, or maybe if you need the parts because you want to do that too. Hey, that's no problem. Just send me an email. Let me know. And anyway, package from Alex. Alex, super. Super, super, super. This package has the 4 remaining parts for, take a look at that. What is, that looks really, wow, amazing. Yeah, and the next one, this is the back side. That means when those two come together, yeah, I have to do a little bit of sanding so that they come together perfectly. Whoa. Let's wait a minute, where is it? There it is. This is another 28 centimeters. Wow. 28 centimeters. And if everything is correct, oh yeah. Oh, lick me. Oh man. This is so cool. This is the bottom part. I think he already checked to make sure, or did he put screws in it? No, no screws. But, okay. Yeah. This is really cool. This is really cool. Anyway, that means for me, the Johnny 5 project, can be completed today. And I will start on the build. And I will try to film that because my desk is not big enough to do all the work here. I have to go over to my coffee table and do the work there. And if everything comes out right, you will see the next video. So, just a second. Hi, I'm back after over 1 hour. Don't worry, I can take off the arms and the head and the extra utility part right here. You know, they're not permanently mounted, so don't worry, that will all come back. But here, center tube is finished, well, almost finished, but yeah, there's only a screw on the bottom and here on the top to screw the two parts together, and after doing that, there is a small spalt in the middle right here, so that I might have to use some, I'm not sure if you can see it, but yeah, it's just a little bit on both sides. I might have to use some CA glue or epoxy glue, I'm not sure which one will hold better, and put a clamp on it and glue those together, you know. And anyway, the bottom part, well, that is the part that was taking so long. And before I forget to say, I'm sorry that I didn't make a video over there. It was too dark, and I'm not sure if that quality of a video is good enough to add on. And anyway, well, that's something that I have to get to, but you know, well, let's just say I have to try and live from about 50 euros each week. And 50 euros for food and for medication, that's hard. And I was looking in eBay to see if I could find a 2 or 3 lighting setup, you know, something that's portable that you can move around and put where you need it. But I will have to think about giving out 50 or 60 euros for that. So, well, I'm not sure. But anyway, this bottom part is a little fighting against me, let's say, you know, to get finished real quick. That's not possible. And because I was sick for about the last 5 days, I am getting better, but not at the best point right now to where I can say I can work 2, 3, 4 hours on a project at one time without having any problems. But yeah, well, let's just say I measured this, and that is 50 centimeters. Add another 10 for the neck and for the head, and a 60 down on the bottom. Well, let's say about 10 for the tracks, and we're around 70 centimeters in complete height for that Johnny 5. That's going to be cool. That's going to be cool. But anyway, I do have a Patreon account and also my PayPal account. It's listed down in the description. If you have $1 or $2 extra, would be happy and would be grateful for me to receive, so that I can get the needed money together to get the parts that I'm going to need. Lighting. I still need a HDMI to USB adapter for my JVC video camera. Found out what the problem was with the sound. It was just a setup, but that's no problem now, so that I could use that, because I would like to try and make some live videos too, you know. But yeah, come time, and everything should hopefully be better. But until then, I do wish you all happy printing. Have a nice day, and take care. Bye for now.